Hello there, legendary souls. Hope you're having a beautiful day. All right, today I'm talking about the words that we use. Yes, it's very important in our just at everyday lives to have a better experience. So just being aware of any time that you may limit yourself. Very important. As you can see, the Instagram channel is Joff Unlimited in Level Up Awareness. So just being very aware of any sort of limitations that you use on yourself. So if you say that you can't do this, or your back's sore, or any sort of limitations put on yourself, even if your back's sore, just be aware of it. Because what you're going to do is you're going to amplify it. Yeah, you're going to amplify anything. If you say that you can't, I can't climb, I'm not going to say me because it's not me, but saying that you can't climb that hill, or someone can't climb that hill, well, it's going to be very difficult, isn't it? Because with that attitude. So just really be aware of that and change it. You can rewire it any moment. It's an evolution. This is an activation right here. So anytime you go up a hill, what you do is you say, I can do this, I will do this, you'll do it. And that's the thing, is the one thing, this is why I like to share, because I've got this expanded awareness of this, is that in the past, you most likely came up against someone that you said you can do something and they said you can't, and they mocked you, and then it put you down, or maybe that you said you could and then you didn't do it, and then you were like, oh shit, I can't, so you can, it was like yesterday. I'll give you an example from yesterday. Like I was at my mate's house, and he's a legend, and there was just this tough shot of throwing a bit of, what did he have? He had some sort of something into his fire, and it was a tough shot, and he said he couldn't do it. And I was like, and I was very similar to position to him, and I was like, man, I could do that. And he was like, all right, tough guy, wise guy, I'm all right. So obviously, the first attempt I didn't get it in. Second attempt I didn't get it in. Third attempt I got it, and it was a tough shot. So I was like, shit, be patient. So that's the thing, is that it could have been easy to give up on the first attempt and being like, oh, I said I could do it, but I didn't do it. But no, I was about to swear then, but stuff that, fuck that, I swear, fucking why not? No, who cares? Someone's gonna, throw the challenge at you. You can prove them wrong. Or even if I had have done one attempt and been like, it wasn't to be today, I'm gonna walk out of that little situation with my head held high and saying that I can do that. You're not gonna let anyone else limit me. That's what it's all about. Be aware of who's limiting you, because it's a reflection of you limiting you. Never limit yourself. You can do anything. Say it with me. I can do anything. I can do anything. I will do anything. Very important. So be aware of the words that you use, and use words like powerful. You know what I mean? Like I am powerful. That kind of stuff, and really feel into your power, feel into your strength, and all that does is that feels into your love, man. Your love, because we're all infinite love. We're all infinite beings having a temporary human experience. We're all infinite love. Everything is love. Everything is love. Some things are, even when the people are limiting you, they're just giving you lower vibrational forms of love, because everything is love. So they're just expanding you, pushing you. Like that's what my mate did yesterday. He expanded me, he pushed me, and here I am. I've got I didn't do it to prove him wrong. I just knew I could do it. I just wanted to let him do it. Shit. But even if I had on the first attempt been like, next time I'll get it. Hey, that's fine. But I'm not limiting myself. I'm not leaving that situation with a scarcity mindset, with a limited mindset, because I trust myself. Yeah. So be aware of the words that you use. All right. Be aware. Once you're aware in the moment of any words that you use, you can rewire it like that. Like that. Like that. So yeah, it's, I've got plenty of stories with this, plenty of stories personally when you just become aware of when someone is limiting you, and you can make them aware as well. You can say, you say, oh yeah, I'm going to climb that mountain, and someone limits you, and you say, look, if that's what you think, that's a you thing. I'm going to leave that with you. I don't need to prove shit to you. Who are you to? I need to prove anything to you? I don't need to prove shit to anyone. You know what I mean? So just really feel into that, feel into your power, and you have to prove shit to anyone, because you're pretty awesome the way you are, and just be aware of the wording that you use, especially even with pain as well. If you're in pain, just be positive about it and watch what happens. If you feed the pain, you're going to amplify it. But if you kind of subdue the pain in your mind, just see what happens. It's gonna go away quicker. You're not giving it as much attention because everything heals. We all heal. We're all, Wolverine from X-Men. Yeah, that's us. That's all of us. Yeah, just some of us are better than others at healing because we allow ourselves to be better than others at healing. But we're all Wolverine, man. We're all weapons. So yeah, if you like this message, please share this with someone. If you find this message inspiring, share this with someone because feeling into the power of our words, it's very important. And that's the thing, is you want to surround yourself with people that don't limit themselves or limit you. You know, I mean, if someone's limiting you, that's not on. You know, you're entitled to let them know. They limit themselves. I mean, shit. What can you do? I observe it these days, and I kind of ask them a few questions if they want to learn. If they don't, hey, what do you do? What do you do? It is what it is, you know. I accept everyone for who they are. Everyone's beautiful. Everyone is beautiful. There's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong with anyone. But if you want to have a better experience, try a few different little things, or don't try, do. Exactly. See, that try is a dead word as well. Do it. Embrace. But yeah, feel into this. Be aware in the moment of any time you limit yourself, and rewire it. Rewire that pattern, and just see what happens. You'll see. You'll see. That'll do this one, I think, guys. Love you all. Again, please share this message, and if it resonates, like it, comment if you want, see what's going on. But yeah, have a beautiful day. Peace and love to you all. And remember, with an open mind, anything is possible. Peace and love, guys.